you want to make your drum grooves more dynamic and expressive, then ghost notes are definitely one of the keys. So in this video, let's explore an 80-20 inspired ghost note routine perfect for intermediate drummers. This routine will help you to focus on just 2 limbs at a time. It will help you to improve your hand coordination, and it will also help you to adapt to multiple styles using one rhythmic concept. Okay, so ghost notes are those soft, subtle sounds that can give your drum groove that extra touch of complexity. So we're going to talk about active and passive ghost notes, a cool way to categorize and practice them, making it easier for you to understand and master these sounds. Active ghost notes are a combination of accents and ghost notes that create a rhythmic pattern. So they're expressed as a pattern with 2 contrasting articulations. So check out these partials showcasing this concept. 1 E, 1 and, 1 R, 1 E and, 1 E R, 1 and R, 1 E and R. We form them by pairing strong snare hits on the backbeat, typically snare hits on beats 2 and 4, with softer ghost notes right after. Now, passive ghost notes, they are the partials that don't start on the beat, and they are all expressed as ghost notes only. We'll use these on beats 1 and 3 to add a subtle rhythmic layer to your play. Now that you have a solid understanding of the concept and the difference between active and passive ghost notes, let's dive into the exercises. First, let's pick a right hand ostinato like 1, 1 and, 1 and, 1 E and, 1 E and, or and. For this video, we'll go with 1 and. Then cycle your left hand through the 7 active ghost note partials on beats 2 and 4. And of course, it's best to practice each one individually and then eventually as 1 bar cycles of each, as we'll do now. Now let's move on to part 2. We'll keep using the 1 and right hand ostinato from part 1, and this time you're going to cycle your left hand through the 7 passive ghost note partials on beats 1 and 3. Okay, so we've explored a practical and effective ghost note routine that not only keeps things simple, but also help you to maximize on your rhythmic options. Now, if this video brought any value to you at all, then please like it, please share it, and let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in more content related to rhythms and drumming, then check out the video on the screen. See you next time in the Drum Corner.